Todd Eldridge, the owner of HunterWorks and HunterWorks Outdoors. We're actually in the studio, as I like to call it, for HunterWorks, just made for a good spot to introduce our very first product at HunterWorks Outdoors, which is a laser cut 3/4 inch Weld-On quick attach for excavator. This one fits KX057, 191, and U55. You say, why in the world would you get into this, or why would this be your very first product? Because we have a rotating log grapple, we'll show you here in a minute, and I bought some Weld-On ears, as I like to call them, from one of the better known companies. When I got them, they were plasma cut and the kerf was at an angle. And so when I mocked them up, they were sitting kind of like this, and it just made it really hard to mock up. The other part is that when you cut this at an angle with that plasma, then your contact patch with your excavator is small. Well, that small contact patch will wear, and then your piece of equipment will become loose over time. So laser cut is the way to go. These are perfectly square. They have not been processed. There's no need. You can rub it with your hands or whatever. We do not sell them painted. This is for your do-it-yourselfer who is making their own attachment or bought an attachment that does not come with a quick attach on it. So again, appreciate you guys taking a look at our HunterWorks Outdoors channel, not only just for products, but just some projects we do. We want people to know we are not just selling stuff. So let's head out to the farm and see how we use ours. Here we are over at the farm, and here is our project for our Weld-On ears. This is a rotating log grapple we ordered from grapplepros.com. Give Brad a call up there. He's a great person to deal with. Our rotating grapple came with a plate. Original one came with a 1/2 inch plate. When we put our original ears on it, the heat warped it, didn't like it. So if you happen to order one from him, make sure you ask for a 3/4 inch plate because he has it. Then go to HunterWorks Outdoors and order you some Weld-On ears, as I like to call them. But nonetheless, this is our configuration here for our KX57. Fit exactly correct the very first time, and we've enjoyed working with it. This rotating log grapple is really a lot of fun to use. Well, what we use it for here is now we got sawmills, the sawmill shed right here behind us. We're going to cut trees. We load them in our dump trailer, bring them up here and dump them in our log pile. So nonetheless, here is the quick attach in use. You got any questions, Todd at hunterworks.com or Hunter at hunterworks.com, and check them out on our website, hunterworksoutdoors.com. Thank you very much.